Most gardeners waste $40 to $60 every February starting seeds they should never start indoors. I have been there. Trays of cucumbers that looked beautiful, then died after transplant. Wasted money on seeds that should have stayed in the packet. Wasted electricity running grow lights for plants that did not need it. Wasted optimism. Today, I am giving you the February filter system. 3 buckets of seeds that need to start now. 1 critical wait list that will fail if you start them too early. This is the exact system for your biggest harvest ever. Here is how the February filter works. Every seed goes into one of 3 buckets based on biology, not wishful thinking. Bucket 1, the 90+ day rule. Crops so slow they need every single day between now and June to produce. Bucket 2, the cold lovers. Plants that thrive when transplanted early, giving you harvest before summer heat hits. Bucket 3, the slow wakers and momentum builders. Fast, growing confidence builders with slow germination that let you harvest greens while waiting for the big crops. Plus 1 critical wait list of seeds that will sabotage your harvest if you start them now. Quick question, comment below. Are you a short season or long season grower? This matters for timing. Whether your last frost is in March or June, this system applies to you. First bucket, the 90+ day rule. Peppers, eggplants, and tomatillos. Here is the math that matters. Peppers need 10 to 12 weeks indoors before transplant. Then, another 8 weeks in the ground before they start producing. Do the math with me. Peppers started February 1st, germinate in 2 weeks, grow indoors for 10 weeks, transplant mid-May, first harvest in July. That is 3.5 months of peppers. Peppers started in March, transplant in June, first harvest in August. Frost hits in October. You just lost 4 to 6 weeks of production. That is not exaggeration. That is 60 peppers per plant versus 20 peppers per plant. Same variety, different start date. The rule: bottom heat is mandatory. Peppers germinate at 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The room temperature is not warm enough. Get a heat mat or use the top of your fridge. The mistake everyone makes: they start peppers, add bottom heat, then put lights 12 inches away because shop lights work fine. Here is the physics. When you double the distance from light to plant, you quarter the light intensity. Lights 4 inches away are adequate. Lights 8 inches away, 1/4 the intensity. Lights 12 inches away, useless. Lights stay 2 inches above seedlings. Adjust every single day as they grow, non-negotiable. Comment sweet if you grow bell peppers or hot if you grow jalapenos and habaneros. I want to see what this community grows. Second bucket, the cold lovers. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and onions. These crops are not waiting for summer. They are racing against it. Here is why February matters. Broccoli starts now and goes into the garden mid-April when the soil hits 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It forms heads in May before heat triggers bolting. You are harvesting while neighbors are still hardening off tomatoes. Broccoli started in March, goes out in May, tries to form heads in July, and bolts immediately. Heat hits. You get flowering stalks instead of tight heads. Zero harvest. What triggers bolting? Stress. Brassicas sitting in small pots getting root-bound will bolt the moment you transplant them. That is why timing matters. The rule: keep soil moist, not wet. Water from the bottom. Let the soil surface dry between waterings. Set trays in shallow water, let soil soak from below, then remove. The mistake: crowding. New gardeners plant 20 broccoli seeds in one cell pack because they do not trust germination rates. You end up with spindly stems fighting for light. Thin to 1 seedling per cell when true leaves appear. Yes, it feels wasteful. Do it anyway. 1 strong plant beats 5 weak ones. Onions are the exception. Start onion seeds in February for bulbing varieties. They need 12 to 16 weeks. Start them in March and you get scallions. Start them in February and you get storage onions. See the difference? That is not genetics. That is a light distance. 2 inches change everything. Third bucket, the slow wakers and momentum builders. Parsley, basil, cilantro, kale, Swiss chard, and lettuce. Here is what makes these different. Parsley takes 14 to 21 days just to sprout. That is dead time you cannot get back. Start it in March, and by the time it germinates and grows for 8 weeks, you are transplanting in hot weather. It suffers. Start it in February, and it establishes in cool weather and thrives all season. The economic reality check: 5 lettuce seedlings under grow lights for 4 weeks costs $8 in electricity plus seed starting mix. 1 packet of direct sown costs $3 and 10 minutes. But here is the strategic win: start 1 small round of lettuce and kale this weekend for the psychological benefit. You will transplant in late March and harvest by early May. That win matters. You are eating from your garden while neighbors are buying from stores. That momentum keeps you going when the big crops are still weeks away. The succession rule after this first indoor round: direct sow every 2 weeks starting in March. Continuous harvest beats 1 big planting. For herbs, focus on basil, parsley, and cilantro. Basil needs 8 weeks and hates the cold. Parsley, we covered. All of these give you that early psychological win. Critical germination rule: lettuce and kale need light to germinate. Do not bury these seeds. Press them onto the soil surface. Now, the list that will save you money, time, and frustration. Do not start these in February: cucumbers, melons, squash, zucchini, beans, and corn. Here is what happens. Cucumbers germinate fast and grow explosively. By transplant time in late May, they are root-bound, stressed, and exhausted. You plant them out and they just sit there sulking, while direct sown cucumbers planted 2 weeks later overtake them. The math: 40 cucumber seedlings started indoors cost $8 in electricity, $5 in mix, and 12 square feet under lights for 6 weeks. 1 packet of direct sown costs $3. You just spent 300% more for an inferior result. These fast growers hate waiting. Start cucumbers and squash 3 to 4 weeks before the last frost, not earlier. Tomato distinction: only start long season indeterminate tomatoes in February. Varieties like Brandywine and Cherokee Purple that need 90+ days. Everything else starts in March. Early season tomatoes started in February, peak in July, and burn out. Start them in March, and they produce through September. Beans and cornair always get direct sown, no exceptions. They hate transplanting. If you already started the wrong seeds, leggy plants, bury them deep when transplanting. Strip the lower leaves and plant that stem deep. Root-bound fast growers transplant immediately. Get them outside fast, even if you need aggressive hardening off. Stressed brassicas, do not wait. Harden them off and transplant even if it is cool. What triggers bolting is sitting in a small pots getting stressed. I know someone watching has a cucumber or squash failure story. You started them early, they looked great, then died after transplant. Comment below and share what happened. Let us learn from each other's mistakes. This is the rule that prevents 80% of seedling failures. Light intensity follows the inverse square law. Double the distance. Quarter the intensity. The exact rule: lights stay 2 to 4 inches above seedlings at all times. 14 to 16 hours on, 8 hours off. Adjust height every single day as seedlings grow. This is non-negotiable. I do not care what kind of lights you have: LED shop lights, grow lights, fluorescent tubes. Distance matters more than brand. 2 inches. Adjust daily. 14 to 16 hours. Bottom heat for peppers: 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit to germinate. Heat mat or top of fridge. Bottom watering set trays in shallow water. Let the soil soak from below. Remove. Let the soil dry between waterings. Constant wetness causes damping off. Hardening off is non-negotiable. Your February seedlings will be indoors for 10 to 12 weeks. They are soft and pampered. Take them straight outside and they will get destroyed by sunburn, wind, and cold shock. Gradually expose them outdoors over 1 to 2 weeks. Start with 1 hour in shade. The next day, 2 hours. Then add morning sun. Slowly increase time and exposure. By the end, they should spend full days and nights outside before transplanting. Yes, it is tedious, but this is the difference between transplants that explode and transplants that sulk for 3 weeks. Equipment you actually need: seed trays or cells, recycled containers, work quality seed, starting mix, not garden soil. Grow light or very sunny south window. Basic LD shop light is $20 to $30. Heat mat for peppers or top of fridge. You do not need a fancy setup. I started successful peppers in a closet with one LED shop light. Let us lock this in. February starts peppers, eggplants, tomatillos, 10 to 12 weeks. Bottom heat lights 2 inches away. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, onions as 8 to 12 weeks. Transplant at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Parsley, basil, kale, Swiss chard, lettuce 6 to 8 weeks. Succession plant, February waits, cucumbers, melons, squash, beans. Corn, most tomatoes, only long season indeterminates in February. The setup rules lights 2 to 4 inches away. Adjusted daily 14 to 16 hours of light per day. Bottom heat for peppers 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Bottom watering to prevent damping off, harden off for 1 to 2 weeks before transplanting. Now I need 2 things from you in the comments. First, your USDA zone or last frost month. This helps me give you personalized timing. Second, which seed are you starting this weekend? I am replying to every single comment with zone-specific advice. Next week, I am releasing the March 1st seed list. That is when most tomatoes start, plus all the warm season crops that need perfect timing. March 1st is the biggest seed starting day of the year. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it. This weekend, get those peppers and brassicas started. Bottom heat on, lights 2 inches away. Harden them off properly. You are building your biggest harvest ever, starting right now. I will see you in the comments.